Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Corral. Today we're going to start out with about 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I have cut up into small pieces. I'm cooking this chicken in just a little bit of avocado oil. And there's my chicken. It's just sizzling away, and I've just added in just a little bit of salt and pepper as it cooks. Now I have chopped up 3 large peppers, 1 large onion, and I have filled up another pot and I've added just a little bit more of avocado oil, and I just want to allow these to get done, and then I'm going to add the chicken to it. But to the chicken I'm going to add in the taco seasoning mix, 1 packet. There's my vegetables just about done. Now I'm adding in 1 packet to the chicken, and I'm going to stir that up and make sure that's well coated. And then I'm going to add it all into the vegetables and stir that up and let that saute together for about 15 minutes. Now I've got another pan that I have put in just a little avocado oil. And I'm going to begin toasting our tortillas, and I'm going to brown those on both sides just till they're nice and brown and puffy. Now it's time to roll them up. We love hot salsa, some taco style shredded cheese, and some sour cream, and that is it. You are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Thanks so much for watching Kiddos Corral, and if you are new, please subscribe and have a fantastic week.